with my buddy Rich Hardy. I need to bring in the big guns today because we have the biggest swarm that I've ever come across in the wild. It's not going to do it justice. There's so many bees. I can't wait for this. So we're in the middle of trying to recover this massive swarm, and we're just getting poured on. It is just straight downpour. Thankfully, we put this blue tarp up above to try to catch bees as they were falling down, to keep them going all the way down the ground, and it's making a great little shelter during the storm. But this is quite the adventure. We thought we were just coming out for a swarm. It turned out to be the world's largest swarm, and now we're in a monsoon.